Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. So the good old question is, can you silk out 4C hair? Yes, you can, y'all. Every time you can silk press 4C just like you silk press 3A, B, C, 2, 1, whatever. It's just you have to know what you're doing. Take your time and analyze the hair. The problem in silk pressing any type of hair, 4C shows it more, is making sure their hair is in a decent, healthy state. Now, if they have suffering from dry hair, breakage, all that stuff, now that's where other things come into play. That's not a fault of the silk press. But yeah, as long as the person has decent, healthy hair, it can get silk pressed anytime. And even with the hair being, if it's not in good state, educate the client, make sure they know what's going on, make sure they get a good trim, good treatments, and it'll aid in your silk press. So while I'm blow drying, when I round brush on 4C hair, I make sure I'm catching a root, because that's the main part, and my main focus is the roots and those ends. So making sure you fully smoothing out that root and fully smoothing out those ends. And when you dealing with 4C hair, make sure you feel the state of it. Make sure it's not weak. Don't be afraid to use heat on 4C hair. It can take more heat than basically other hair types. That's the big plus about 4C hair. Man, it's strong. 4C got strong hair. Like it can endure it. Like prime example, when we sit out in the sun, your skin can't handle sitting out in the sun for long, but your hair can. Your scalp not burning or nothing, because your hair is protecting it from the sun. But yeah, my usual temp is like 420 to 450, and I make sure I go across the strand once. And also, if you see me go twice, that means I'm just catching the root, or if I miss the end, I catch the ends of the hair. And make sure you flat iron the hair all the way down the strands, because we can get lazy with flat iron the hair. Keep the tension, like the press consistency, all the way from the root to the ends, because if you're not tackling those ends, it's gonna look frizzy. So yeah, I just wanted to give y'all those little tips. Comment below if you have any problems with your hair, if you're struggling with 4C hair, or if you're a hairstylist and you come across problems with 4C hair, or if you have tips and testimonials about how you handle 4C hair. Comment below. Y'all have a good day.
Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling, oh. I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I've been thinking about you. Oh yeah. Oh, there ain't no one else that does the things that you do to me. That's why I get nervous. I try to be cool, but you see me the right way. Oh, and I see you too. I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for wanna be together, be together? Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. I got feelings about you. ain't buying no more dreams. So what you selling? My pockets got dry from the boat. But if you so for real, you could get wet. But not too much. Don't wanna drown a flame, keep that fire lit. Breathe life into it. Now we own my place, always stays true. I won't give my body to nobody new. Can you believe that we could be forever in heat? If you get me till we 6 feet under stress, or if it's all sweet, just hold me down deep. We won't burn out. Here with me, we could be always in heat. Show me devotion I could trust in it. Just don't rush, baby. Ignite my desire for your loving. Slow burn till time combustion. Baby, I'ma need an R&B love from the 90s. Tell me how you would die without me. Spin, move in the rain, drop to your knees. Passion on Venus, never kill the flame, keep that fire lit. Show me why you deserve it. Now we own my place, always stays true. I won't give my body to nobody new. Can you believe that we could be forever in heat? If you get me till we 6 feet under stress, or if it's all sweet, just hold me down deep. We won't burn out. Here with me, we could be always in heat. Always, 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 always. Do, yeah. Yeah. Oh. That easy pay can make her never wanna leave, so we stay on.